So today we're gonna do a video about how to get a free helicopter in jailbreak without a keycard, and you just need to escape. That's all you need. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I got my car here. I escaped. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! They caught me! They caught me! They caught me! What? How did it? Okay, my phone just rang. Oh hell no, fam! Oh hell no! Run! Run! Yeet! Yeet! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No, no, no. Gotta hide here. Okay, gotta hide here. I just wasted all my rocket fuel, Jesus. Now I can't even get up. Yay. I can't even get up now. So surprising. There. Finally. Let's get back on track. Oh, well. We gotta go the other way. There we go. Please somebody kill me. Okay, so, okay guys, so I'm back. We're going to the place right now where you can get the free helicopter without anything. Just need rocket fuel. Well, you don't need rocket fuel if you don't need it at all. Please somebody help me. First you have to go over here. You don't need to, but if you want to. I'd like to get here first. So, here you go guys. This is where you go first. Oh, that's a fellow prisoner. So you gotta get in here. I mean, you don't have to. But I just wanna. Okay, so I'm gonna get my weapons just in case I get spotted and stuff. I'm gonna look like a citizen or one of those policemen. Okay. Oh god, I hear a helicopter. Yeah, that's a good guy. It's our team. So here is where you have to go to get one of those free helicopters, guys, without any keycard. Okay, so we're going. Oh hell no! Okay, we got him. Oh, please somebody help me! Okay. So you gotta go there at the end. And you gotta go right here. This will take a lot of progress and time. I could tell. I'll play Prodigy after this if you guys saw. Don't know if you guys saw. But here we go. We can slow down here. Okay. Zoom out. So you guys see that building right there, yeah? The helicopter should be spawning there. You can just race all the way there. Yes, you can just go from here and go all the way there and use your car to sprint up. So, I might do that right now. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh my god, I did it. Oh my god. He does not know. Oh my god. There's a person right there. Oh my god. Okay, just gonna hide there, and we're gonna get back up there again. Okay, it's super. Oh no. Oh where he is. Just gonna grab my pistol just in case. I don't know, I don't hear his footsteps. Nope, I'm not. Yo, be quiet. Yo, Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. Be quiet, be quiet, be quiet. So shush policemen by shooting their cars off. Oh! He did this. Okay. Then if then. But caught doesn't it? Now we're unlucky. Okay, gotta go back where our spot was, so oh man. Okay, so that's already bad. Okay, so we're going to our spot right now. Just failure. Oh my god, I keep on pressing spacebar. Okay, so we gotta go this way again. And then we gotta go fast. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, yo, what the? Yo, no! Okay, yep. I deserve that. I'm gonna do this faster. You know, I'm gonna do police for you guys. So I'm police now. We're gonna go head up. Actually, a faster way to do this. Okay, let's go. This will be a long video. I need a shortcut. Okay. Oops. Okay, we gotta go fast. I'm being policed so I get this easier, cause everyone's on killing me. Hey, there's my okay, buy old car. Okay, and then we gotta race criminals. Hear that? Then they'll just kill me. I'm just doing a video. I'm not gonna do any harm because I don't like being police. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, so you gotta go there, grab any car, and then do this. Oh wait, oh, that's up. Okay, I'm just kidding. Oh, you just stole my thing. Jeez. Oh well, I'm in the wrong seat. Oh, you have to do this, guys. Just do that. Oh, yo, I made it. Okay, now we gotta jump up here. Just wait, helicopter. Okay, we need something. How can we go up there? Just wait for the thing to. But you know, guys, the car will land right there if you get quickly, and then, and then jump on the car on top, and then you go to the helicopter area. I'm gonna go there because I'm a police. Lucky thing, I'm a police. I chose police. Nope. Whoop. Right there. Did this. And then, yeah. Car's right there. And it goes up here. And then you can get your helicopter right there. So yeah, I'm going to go rob some stuff. So here you go. You know what I'm gonna rob, guys? MGM. Best thing they're like. Oh, well, I got Roblox. Okay, that's enough. Please, somebody kill me. Please, it's muffin time. I will after. Set. And you can put up and down on the clock. There's up and down. Okay, so let's run. I'm still not used to computer controls because I didn't play it for that long. Okay, so let's go. Oh, there you go. Bruh, why'd you do that? Okay, let's go rob. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bruh. Seriously, man. Seriously. I'm doing a video here. Excuse me. Please don't do that. Okay, let's go. Please don't do this again, jailbreak. Yeet. Okay, I was skinny enough to go through there. Oh, dang it. Okay, I'll just turn on my headlights. Okay. So I'm not gonna rob anything today, because I didn't have time. So yeah. Okay, bye. Hold on. Oh my god. Wow. Damn. Well, I'm gonna have to end the video here, cause, you know, I'm kinda bored and there's nothing really to do. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and share if you want to. You don't have to. And yeah. Bye guys. Peace. Great day.